1 ton per day capacity to buy machine. Solid ice cylinder with very tiny holes. These are stronger ice than the hollow ice with big holes. The top quality ice. It's equipped with 2 acrylic fans. %100% transparent, crystal clear. (1,000 kilograms of ice can be made every day within every 24 hours, and the machine works with 1-phase power supply. This is the 1-phase power supply. Okay, here. It can be 50 Hz or 60 Hz. The important thing is that it works with 1-phase power supply, so it's more available for the users to use them everywhere. Perfect ice.